We are live.
We're live already. Am I the one that is going to share?
Alright, share. Let's play this game. Let's see who is gonna win.
Really?
Yeah.
There is hope in. Oh, I love this game. Oh my god.
All right. Play.
Last card.
Oh, no. This is your last card is fast though. Give me a ball. Last card. One it to the last card though. Pick two. Hey. Wow, I love this game. I love this game, oh.
Last card.
So you win this game? You think you win this game?
Yes, no. We're trying that.
Forget about it. Let's see who will win this game. Hey! Ah, yeah.
Checkmate!
Ah! And maybe I put this up and you for win. Ah!
I am most excited to hear from all of you.
I tell you, but tell you. This was never in the I'm a bunny.
All right. Two. What's over? There you go, yeah.
Yeah, for you. Then you actually carpets.
Pick two. Pick four. Pick six. Give me the ball. Last card. Hey. Wow. I think I'm doing well. I'm doing well.
No, I'm a pro. I can
This
never like
video is for our people. When you grow up, you see how we're doing it. stronger, 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 stronger. Down. Bom. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. No, it's trapped on the under through our website. Can you upload on the website? Get this here.
Gonna do you daddy.
Okay, let's see.
It's like, what's something
No, I don't look at you again. No.
Alright. Let's get on it.
Yeah, I don't look at you again.
Rides, delivery, and services, all at the price you set. One app, all the services. Name your price. Choose the best offer.
You are doing paper.
Big 6.
How?
I want it to be in your hands plenty. Hey.
So you are winning now. Okay.
Yes.
Let's play now. Let's see who wins. You are winning. Let's play. Let's see who. Guys, please share this video and comment, right? This is a family game.
Hold on. I am a a pro on this. When I say it, you listen.
Listen to your instincts.
Tell me instincts on that calculation.
Or I maybe might play the 2 and I'm also again. Maybe I play the 2 game, you have not gotten the game. Well, let's see who will win.
Really? I am winning.
You're winning.
And I will always win because I'm a pro.
Yeah, you just win once, now you're making out. Okay.
But I'm winning now.
Let's see now.
But this game is bad.
Pick 2. Play ball. Was went to the last card. Give me ball. Chicken! Chicken, chicken! Chicken, chicken, chicken! Chicken, chicken, chicken! Hey!
I'm not smiling.
Why are you not smiling? Because I'm winning you. Because I'm winning. Okay. This video is for our baby. You are watching it.
Baby, can you hear what your dad is saying?
Yeah. You are watching. On the door you are watching.
Is he really watching?
Yeah.
Are you sure he's watching? So Moro, how you born now?
Me, I don't know about you.
I'm winning this too.
I'm going to be again. I'm going to be
You can win.
Oh, to handle it again.
I am not looking at you again. Hold on.
Why you being there? What's like that?
Say hold on. Pixel.
Okay, so
Guys, I told you to watch out because I'm gonna win and I will still win, man.
okay, so guys, that's all we can do for today. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
guys
watching our
for
videos
watching.
with my beautiful wife.
Thank you. Please
it's a
support
family
us.
Yeah, so you'll be seeing more of our videos.
Yeah.
Today we just want to play again. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow we'll do something else.
Yeah, we're just having fun.
Yeah.
So join us in the fun.
Thank you so much.
There's a time out.
She's my beautiful wife.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.